For this stand-up consensus, your question to think about and answer, I want to know which fast food place I can order the healthiest meal. Okay? What sort of data would I need to answer that question? Okay, so think on that. I want to know, like, what fast food chain can I get the healthiest meal? So just thinking right now. Just thinking. I hear some of you guys sharing out. In just a second, we'll stand up, round robin. And then the part that, again, some of us have trouble with is that consensus piece. Once everyone's shared, could there be more than one correct answer here? Yeah, for sure. I just want you to, once everyone has shared, agree on one that you would be willing to share with the class. Even if all 4 of your answers are awesome, just pick one that you're like, that's the one we'll share out about. Okay, that is your consensus, and then you sit down when you found that.
So the data I think you would need to know which fast food place has the healthiest meal was to like the names of fast food restaurants and the healthiest meal they have there and how much calories is like in it.
Yeah, I wouldn't agree. I said like calories, or like you see like what sort of food they sell. So like it could be like plant-based restaurant or a fast food chain that sells like burgers.
I think you can guess which one they have the healthiest meal if you have the name and then the menu list.
I think the healthiest depends on like what's in it. So like the amount of sugar or like carbs or whatever, and then you just add it all up and then like see what it is.
The name of the restaurant, the calorie list, the menu.
Yeah, the menu. The menu, right? Yeah, the menu. But it depends on what's in the menu. You know? Yeah. It depends what's in the menu. So like, we have to have like a range. So like, there could be like a salad, but there could also be like a quadruple cheeseburger. You know? So like, you have to add it all up. That's what I think.
And then let's go ahead and hear from table 7. 7 of hearts is Jacob.
The fat, protein, whatever, like stuff like calories, yeah, that too, and stuff like that.
Okay, wonderful. And let's hear from one more table, table number 2. Look at that, Riken.
We need to know like the names of the fast food places, the calories in the meals, and like the menu.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. And now when you say, love the enthusiasm. When you say menu, what sort of information is on the menu that you need? Like the pictures of the food?
Yeah, the food and like the calories.
Okay, so the food like name and the calories? Okay,